Thank you, Emily. Summer in Buffalo is in full bloom, and what better way to see all the amazing gardens than a free garden walk? The 12th annual Samuel P. Capen Garden Walk is this Saturday, July 13th, and we're joined by Michaela Schmidbauer to hear more about this event. Now, Michaela, there are so many amazing gardens, from gardens that are a little bit more urban to suburban gardens. So how do people get involved in the garden walk, and really, what can people see?
Well, you can sign up on the website for the University Heights Collaborative, and anyone can sign up. It's primarily in the University Heights neighborhood, which is near UB South Campus. It also includes some of Eggertsville, and we stretch all the way down to the People's Garden at Jewett and Rodney on Main Street.
So people love their gardens. So many people are busy working on their gardens, but for people that want to experience a lot of different gardens and see, maybe get some inspiration, what are people going to see when they go on these garden walks?
You know, it's amazing. There are gardens that have incredibly small spaces, and they do so much with them. There's one on University Avenue where he is now going up because he has no more space to grow out. And then there's some larger lawns, because there are, you know, with the railroad track, some of them are very deep lawns where there's some grass and some vegetables and herbs and whatnot.
So what do people walk away with? Do the garden owners sort of talk about their garden so you get sort of an idea how they do it, or is it more of a see, kind of digest and move on?
The gardeners are usually there to talk about their gardens. Last year, when I did the walk, I walked away inspired, and we've done so much in my yard since last year's garden walk, because I realized I have a lot of space and I wasn't doing a lot with it. So I really was inspired.
And you know, we're talking about an area that's a little bit more urban, so people are kind of working with, like you said, limited space. So why is it important to still sort of have these beautiful gardens, even when you might not have that sort of sprawling green area in your backyard?
Well, gardens are contagious, and that's kind of our theme this year, so we're really excited about that. But it's important for sure in urban areas, because we want to beautify our neighborhoods, and especially in these urban neighborhoods, we're coming together, we're collaborating, and we're trying to beautify the neighborhood, and it makes all the difference. And
we can find you on Facebook, correct?
That's correct. It's under Capen Garden Walk.
So just Capen Garden Walk.
Yep. And we also have a website. We're on www.ourheights.org/garden walk.
And what a better way to spend, you know, one of those really bright, beautiful days out. Thank you so much, Michaela, for joining us.
Thank you.
Right now, we're going to head over to the Kitchen World Kitchen to see what's happening.
Right.